This is a student's grade sheet for 6th grade language arts, a typical grade sheet. And along the side here, these are assignments that the students might do throughout the year. And along the top, these are the skills that we want the students to master by the end of 6th grade. These numbers here are the grades that students received for each assignment. We grade 1 below basic, 2 basic, 3 proficient, and 4 over here, 4 advanced. To get more information on how we grade, please look at the PowerPoint presentation that's on my website. Typically, or in the past, students' grades would be averaged throughout the semester. We do something a little bit different. In the beginning of a year, a student usually doesn't quite know how to do everything. And that's very typical. Just as if you don't know how to do everything when you start a sport and you learn more and more skills and you become more and more proficient. And we keep that in mind. So instead of averaging vertically here, what we do is we take the preponderance of evidence. What we want is a snapshot by the end of 6th grade to see where the student has arrived by the end of the year. So let's take literary analysis. This student received a 2 for principles and plot, and then a 2 for principles and bank. These are names of stories, but they're analyzing the plot. Later they analyzed character traits, and that was a 3. And then later they started to show advanced work in 4. Instead of averaging all of these, which would average to a 3, if you can do that math quickly, what we do is we see that this student has arrived by the end of the year as advanced. So we take the mode, or the most frequently occurring grade, and we take that grade at the end of the year. The student has arrived at a 4. Now you may have noticed that there's 2 2s and 2 4s. Why do we take the 4s over the 2s? It's because it's the most recent grade. If you want more information on how we grade or how we use the grade sheet, there's a longer version of this explanation on my website.